The United States produces about 6 million tons of medical waste each year. Stericycle, an industry-leading compliance company for healthcare organizations, patients, and commercial businesses, helps dispose of this waste and much more.
Stericycle organization is really two different companies. One is Stericycle, that we deal with medical waste and recycling those products, and then Shred It, which is secure document destruction and recycle the paper products.
The company was dealing with an aging fleet and a full-service lease model that was costing them a lot of money. In an effort to move to a non-full-service lease and gain control of maintenance and repair expenses, Stericycle decided to enlist the help of Corcentric. With Corcentric Capital Equipment Solutions, which includes Corcentric Analytics for fleet efficiency, Stericycle can determine the life cycle of each asset and structure a lease to optimize each vehicle's performance. The result? The average age of a truck has gone from 8.9 years to 3.5 years, leading to big savings.
Our maintenance and repair expense, working with Corcentric, we've driven it down. Like last year, we had a plan of saving $1.2 million on expenses, and because of specifically the Corcentric Power BI tools that they created for us, we saved $6.8 million.
A comprehensive analytics suite gives Stericycle fleet insights in real time and the flexibility to customize reports to make strategic decisions. By working with Corcentric, Stericycle has replaced about 2,600 trucks over the last 3 years, building a fleet that maximizes productivity and savings, and building a relationship they can rely on, no matter the ask.
The partnership, whether it's truck design, getting the equipment we need, follow up on issues, a truck didn't get delivered or whatever, everybody's there supporting and getting the answers right away. It's a great partnership. Love working with you guys.